Notion is hands down the best tool if you ever want to build a business or just keep on top of your life. This video is going to show you the only Notion setup you need to run an entire business by yourself, whether that is as a creator, a founder, a freelancer, a consultant, or someone just starting their very first side hustle. And before we get stuck into that setup, let me just show you one thing that is absolutely genius and is just going to show how powerful this tool is. Let's take this spreadsheet, full of social posts and post ideas. Now, let's just open a Notion page to get it ready, and then highlight all of this data and information, click copy, and then paste it into that empty Notion page. Then we're going to click on these 4 dots and turn this into a database. Head over here to settings, turn it into a board, and boom, an entire content management system, Kanban board, production board, whatever you want to call it, within a few seconds. By the power of Notion, your spreadsheet has turned into an actual working process and a whole new, streamlined, better way of working. And that's the core power of Notion. It can remove the need for external tools, and it can improve your ops, your processes, your workflows, and your productivity if you know how to use it properly. Notion removes the need for multiple products and multiple tools and the cost that comes with those. You can actually run your entire business on the completely free version of Notion. And if you like practical setups and systems that will change your life, subscribe, because I teach you the best Notion systems and setups that you need to know right here on this channel. People really overcomplicate things when they are starting out in building a business or an idea or a side hustle. It's really easy to see how it happens. There are a ton of products on the market, there are a ton of great brands building solutions to problems that we think that we have. But you don't need to overcomplicate things. You don't need an expensive SaaS product, and you don't need to be spending hundreds on tools every single month just to start and launch your own business. All you need is 5 essential sections of a Notion operating system that can all be hosted on the completely free plan. That's why this video is going to show you the 5 sections of the only operating system you will ever need and how they are built in Notion. So first and foremost, what every business needs is a true understanding of what they are selling, a product section. This is often overlooked by people who aren't building a physical or digital product, but actually productizing your services, your consultancy, your freelance is the only way to really understand who you're going to offer it to and how to make money. Within this section, you need a product roadmap, an understanding of what your product actually is, a space to build out your pricing, and especially if you're part of a product startup, someone to have your features, your bugs, your feedback, your MVP to your end product. This part of your operating system is all about building out those features, your services, brain dumping new things to offer, and organizing it all and tracking that product process. And this next section leads on from that initial product development and is intrinsically linked. So much so that in the operating system that I use every day, those 2 sections reference each other and are physically linked. Because the next section you need is a space to understand who is going to actually pay for your product or services and the ecosystem built around them. If you have a product or a service, you actually haven't completed that product or service until you understand who is going to pay for it. None of this build it and they will come mentality. You need to know exactly who they is so that when you start putting your product or your service out into the world, you already know who it is that you want to be putting it in front of. Now, when you're first starting out and building your product or service, it's absolutely fine to do this with just a rough idea of whose problem you're solving or who you are building it for. But as soon as you're at the point where you think it's ready for people to pay for it, you really need to actually prove that they will within this part of your operating system. Making money, no matter what the scale or what the product, is about 2 things: knowing who to talk to and knowing how to talk to them. In essence, that is all sales and marketing is. Who is going to buy my product or service? How do I get them to actually take that action? I actually have a course that will teach you exactly how to do this. And not only that, it comes with a workbook that grows into your own business operating system as you scale. It is essentially the 101 on marketing for any business, but super executional for someone starting their own thing, a solo founder, a creator, a freelancer, or a consultant. It also takes you through exactly how to make that marketing campaign work and things like social and content. So do check that out if you're new to launching your own brand or marketing. Because a lot of people jump in straight away with top of funnel content, often across social. But any successful business doesn't just make content or talk to clients or run ads. Before doing that, they have an incredibly deep understanding of who they are trying to talk to, who they are trying to put their product in front of. So this section is where you're going to house all of that information on who you actually want to talk to. Who is your market? Who is your audience? Who are your buyer personas? What do they do? Where do they hang out? How do they make those decisions? And it's a place to go as niche as possible, to get the smallest subsection of your total buyers that you can speak to almost like you are having a direct conversation with them. And in no surprise, following the revelation that all you need to do in order to make money in life is to know who you're talking to and know how to talk to them, the next essential part of this operating system is knowing how to talk to your defined people. A place to plan, track, and manage how you are talking to the people that you have already defined. And this is your marketing section. Now, I have actually built every single thing that you need to ideate, launch, track, scale, grow your own business with this product, the Solo Business Blueprint. This is 11 different workspaces and over 40 different templates that are already primed, ready for you to just drop in with your idea, your concept, your dream, and build out a business from scratch, all on the free Notion tier for less risk, less cost, less time than ever before. The link is in the description, so go and grab that now. But this marketing section is the place where we house every single way in which we are talking to the right people. It links back to our brand, it links back to our research about our buyers. It's got a campaign engine, it's got a content engine, it's got these smart automations that help us not start from scratch every single time, because consistency is so key in driving revenue. Now, we could actually stop this video here, because to start and launch any brand, all you really need and all that's really essential for this operating system is a place to build, understand, and really refine your product, a place to understand your audience and buyers and make sure you know exactly who you need to talk to, and a place to ideate, plan, manage, and track how you're talking to them. These three elements are the core essentials of building a business. What do you do? Who is it for? How do you tell them? Traditionally, these three core elements would be spread across multiple tools with varying contracts, varying prices, and different ways of working. That's why Notion is so powerful. It is one tool, one completely free cost, so no cost, and one thing to get used to working with. It also means that all your information is kept in one place, which is often the key to success. No context switching, no searching for information, all streamlined. And there's an additional 2 sections which really support people who are doing this either on their own or in their free time. And these sections are set up to streamline your workflows and to make you more productive and really remove as much friction as possible. These sections are also part of the Solo Business Blueprint, but when you are doing something by yourself in your free time with limited resources, your operating system should also contain a place to organize all your admin and documentations and a place to track your revenue and growth. When you are starting something or building something out, keeping track of everything is actually quite time consuming. And consistency is so important across every single business aspect. That is why I build it in Notion. Everything relates back to core pages and core principles. A centralized system started at the very beginning of your business will save you time, effort, and money further down the line as you scale. That's why I have this section called Your Ops. This is all your documents, all your contracts, all your information, everything that you have that's like a mini wiki about your brand in one place, easy to find, easy to relate back to other pages, and easy to share as you grow. And then once you get off the ground, this space for revenue and growth is so important, and it completely replaces expensive products such as Salesforce or HubSpot or Sage. My favorite saying is what gets measured gets managed. And this is a space for you to understand from that very first customer where your revenue should be going and how you grow. Within this, we have a revenue tracker, so we can forecast, we can set goals, and we can manage what our revenue looks like week through week, month through month, or even day by day. We also have a full-blown CRM. And this isn't just for freelancers or consultants or people who have clients. Anyone who has a business of any sort, as soon as they have their first customer, they should be thinking about contacts and networking and opportunities and partnerships. That's why this space has a CRM with spaces for meetings and tasks and follow-ups and a directory of people. If you are looking to start your own business, make your own revenue, have a side hustle, the best thing you can do for yourself is to set it up properly. Proper systems and processes don't change from idea to idea. These 5 things are the only things you need in your entire operating system to start, launch, and grow your very own business. And if you don't want to do it yourself, an entire operating system is literally one click away for you.